Hi guys, my name is Nicholas Barbado, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play an E chord on the guitar. Alright, and we swing out our trusty guitar here. Let me just play it for you for an example first. That sounds great, right? It sounds terrible. That is an E chord, but played completely incorrectly. I'm going to be teaching you how to play a proper E chord. Sounds very beautiful when it's played correctly. And in order to play an E chord, you'll obviously need a guitar. The next thing you're going to need is a pick, so let me grab one. Boom! We got our pick. Okay. This is a Dunlop Ultex pick. It says 1.0 on it. That's just the millimeter width of the pick, so it doesn't really matter what kind of pick you get. You can really get any old pick, any size. Just go to your local guitar shop or maybe a guitar center and they'll be able to help you out with getting a pick. You're also going to want your guitar to be in tune, so that means each string on the guitar is playing the note that it is meant to be playing. After tuning the guitar into an open tuning using your guitar app such as Guitar Tuna, like the fish, I know that app is on Android markets and Apple markets, so you can find that app and it works very well for me. Today I'm going to talk to you about getting into really what it's like to play the guitar and learning about the parts of the guitar, how to use the different parts of the guitar and accessories like the pick, and eventually, once we know how to understand the parts and understand how to use those parts, we can play an E chord. So now we're going to talk about the strings, which is a part of the guitar. So this top string here is the 6th string, and it's an E string. It has the name E. The next one down is the 5th string. Let's get nice and close. The next one down is the 5th string, this one here, and that is A. The next one down, this one here, is the 4th string, and it's a D. The next string down, 3rd string, G. Next string down, B. That's the 2nd string, because it's the 2nd string from the bottom. So I know it's a little confusing, but as you can see, this is the 2nd, it's 1 from the bottom, so 1 on the bottom is E, again, the same as the top. So like I was just saying, the 1 is on the bottom, the 2 is on the second one up, obviously, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. These are all the strings of the guitar. So I just explained to you that the top one is an E, next one down A, D, G, B, E, and they all go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that way. So the next thing that we're going to have to understand is the frets, and these are these little metal bars on the guitar that are underneath the string. So those are frets, and that will allow you to change the pitch or the tone that you're playing. For the E chord that we're going to be learning, we only need to stay within this 2nd fret. So you can see that the first one here is kind of this space here that stops at the metal bar, and the second one is this space here. So we're only going to need to stay in this 2nd fret space. So to start playing our E chord, first we're going to take our fingers, we're going to take our middle finger and our ring finger, and we're going to combine them, okay? Because that's a very simple way to learn how to play the E, so I'm going to teach it to you that way. So you combine them that way, and like I just said, we're going to find our 2nd fret, and we're going to take our middle and ring and place our ring on the 2nd fret. So remember I was talking about 1st fret, 2nd fret, on the 2nd fret of the A string, which is 5. So remember how I said E, A, D, G, B, E? Well, now we're on the 2nd fret, so 1 and 2, of the A. So middle finger goes there, and I say connect the ring because the ring is going to go in the same exact fret spot. Let me get up close and show you here. The same exact fret spot, so still on the 2nd fret here, but on the string down. So we have our middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A, so right there, and we have our ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D, so right there. So ring finger here, middle finger here right above it, and that gives you a beautiful E chord. And you want to make sure that you're pressing down on those strings very hard and not touching with your tips of your fingers any of the other strings other than those two notes right there, which will give you the perfect sound and tone of an E chord, which will allow all those strings to ring out beautifully. With that comes the pick. Take your thumb, put it on there like that. Take this pointer finger and just pinch it. You're going to pinch it. Okay? So, fingers in the same spot. And you're just going to play each string downward with a nice motion of your wrist. Okay? Perfect E. So, thank you for watching. Today I just talked to you about the different parts of the guitar, the frets, the strings, understanding that, and I talked to you about what a pick is, and how to play a beautiful E chord so that now you can go impress your friends. Thank you.